feel the blood creeping up from the heathens, God.
Real quick guys, today I am going to share with you guys this powerful strategy that you're seeing right now on my screen. What you just really need to do for yourself right now is for you to pay very close attention and be sure to understand everything that I'm going to share with you guys here, because this strategy is very powerful if you follow my instructions properly. Alright, so you can use this strategy to trade any pairs, guys, but most especially I've been using this strategy to trade crash 300 index, and I believe if you follow all these tips that I'm going to share with you guys here, you are going to make a lot of money from this strategy, guys, because what you just really need to do right now is for you to pay very close attention and understand the requirements. Then you can move into your into your trading account and start killing the market. So first thing first, before we dive into the video fully, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, let me officially introduce myself. My name is Alligator from Global First, and what I do here is whenever I come across any strategy that is working perfectly fine, I come to my channel here and share it with you guys so that you too will make use of this strategy and start killing the market. And if you are getting value from all my content, guys, be sure to smash that like button. By so doing, YouTube will be able to push this video to others that are also searching for content like this. And also, if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button, as it is very important that you do that for this channel to grow. So that is how it is, guys. Let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you how this strategy work real quick, guys. All right, so do yourself that favor, guys, be sure to watch from beginning to the end, because I am not going to take much of your time here. I'm just going to go straight to the point and point out what or the requirements that I want you guys to I want you guys to understand and allow this strategy to meet that requirement before you open any position. So with that being said, guys, let's dive fully into the video. Let me walk you through on how this strategy works. When you look at my chart right now, guys, first thing first, we are going to first set these are strategies before these are our indicators that you are seeing right now on my chart. Before we start explaining how this strategy works, first thing first, you click on this F icon here. All right, you click on this F icon here that you are seeing. Right. Once you click on the F icon, the first indicator, just be sure to be taking screenshot of everything I'm going to be opening. The first indicator that you're going to add is this particular RSI here, guys. All right, once you click on RSI, take screenshot of what you're seeing right now, and always make sure to set this particular level to 90 and 10. All right, so the period is 14. You can see this here. After setting it up, just click on this done here, and that is the first indicator that you're going to add. Then you go back to the F icon again. Once you get yourself on you click on the F icon, you come to this place. This is with indicator window 1, guys. All right, so just click on this place here. Once you click on this place, you're going to add this particular awesome oscillator, guys. All right, so I'm opening the settings here. This is the default settings of awesome oscillator, guys. All right, let your settings be on default settings, guys. So once you click on awesome oscillator this way, leave it on these default settings. The only thing that you are going to change is this particular color here. If you really think that the color that you met there is not okay for you, you can change it to the color of your choice. So you click on this particular done here, and that is it. Once you click on that, you come back again to the same indicator window 1. You click, you add moving average, or this moving average that you are seeing. So the first moving average that you are going to add is the moving average 21 that always serve as support and resistance. All right, so if you have been watching my videos, you will understand that I normally use 21 moving average a lot, because it serves as a support and resistance to my chart. And so this is what you are going to add on that indicator window 1 as well. You click on, then you add the last moving average, which is moving average 5, and After doing that, always make sure that this moving average that you're adding is exponential, guys. So after adding that, you click done. So we are done right now on our indicator window one here. Then you move back to the F icon here again, which is this zone here. You move back to the F icon here. Once you get to this F icon, then the first indicator that you're going to add is this moving average, guys. Open your eyes very well so you understand everything that I'm explaining to you guys here. Now this is moving average 200 exponential, guys. You add this to your main chart, not indicator window one. To your main chart, you click turn. You go back to your main chart again, you add alligator. All right, you add alligator indicator, guys. All right, you can see it. Leave it on default settings, guys, as well. Then you click turn. We are good to go. You can see my chart right now. So the zoom level that I'm using right now is just zoom level 2, guys. The second level to last, that is what I'm using right now. So this is how this strategy works real quick, guys. When you look at this here, guys, when you look at this, you will see that our moving average 5 is above, not crossover. All right, it's above this moving average 21, which is blue line. All right, the red line is above this moving average 21, which is blue line. Then all these requirements are met at this the switch of below 0 here to above 0 line. Look at what I'm saying here. When you look at this here, all right, when you look at this particular when you look at this our awesome oscillator here, you will see that the histogram is above. And when you look at this place, whenever the histogram is above, that is to say the market is indicating uptrend, guys. All right, so whenever the histogram is below, it means the market is selling. Now what or which level is the below? Look at this level that I marked. When I mark it this way, whenever this histogram is above this 0 level, this is 0 level, guys. All right, this is 0 level. Whenever the histogram is above this 0 level, that is to say the market is an uptrend. Whenever it is below the 0 level, that is it is a downtrend, guys. So now you will see that these our requirements here has been met. The red line, that is the red moving average, is above this blue moving average here, and the histogram has crossed from below 0 level to above, which is buying. And move or immediately to your main chart. If you spot that this is 300 crash 300 index, guys, you can see this here, right? And this is 15-minute time frame. So when you move to our main chart, you will see that this is our 200 moving average, guys. All right, this is our 200 moving average, and these are the alligator that we added on our main chart. So now you will see that after this first requirement has been met, now the price action is above this alligator indicator that we added, and also the price action is above this particular moving average 200 that we added. And all of us know that moving average 200 serves as is showing you the direction of the clear direction of the trend per day or per day. All right, it all depends. Whatever pair that you're trading, 200 moving average serves as a trend direction. It shows if the market is going up or is going down for the day. All right, so that is the essence of using moving average 200. So now this is a pure example of what I want every one of you to be looking out for. Whenever the red which is our moving average 5 is above moving average 21, not crossover, and the whole requirements are met, the histogram is above here showing indication of buy, and look at this here, these requirements are met, that is the price action is above our alligator indicator, and the both of them are also above 200 moving average. Guys, what you just need to do is for you to open your position. All right, open many positions that your account can carry. Once you open it, because there is nothing that is going to make this market, if you open your position somewhere here, all right, this place here, let me take for instance, let me clear this. You open your position somewhere here, guys. All right, let's say for instance you open your position somewhere here on crash 300 index, then there is nothing that is going to make this market crash here and cross this particular moving average 200. It does not work that way. Hence, all this requirement that we mentioned here has been met. Open your positions, all right? Open your positions, as many as you can carry, and you wait patiently for this these positions to give you a lot of profit, guys, because I've been using it for how many days now? So a couple of days now, and I will continue using them, all right, because this is very, very powerful. This is one of the best free strategies that you are going to come across out there on YouTube. So what I'm saying in essence is, if you are getting any value from this content, which I myself is getting a lot of value, do not forget to smash that like button. As I said earlier on, by so doing, YouTube will be able to push this video up to others that are looking for a strategy to grow their small accounts. So that is how it is, guys. And one more thing that I want to share with you guys: always make sure that these requirements are met before going before opening any position. And also, once you see this after these first requirements are met here, you don't really need to put this particular one here in consideration again. Once this particular one helps you to detect your entry point here, all right, without this particular one helping you to detect your entry level, we wouldn't have used this particular one, all right. So once it helps you to detect that, and you open your position, probably the price action is above this particular alligator indicator that we used here, and this particular moving average 200. These are awesome oscillator, and the whole thing that we used here on indicator window 1 is of no use to us again, because already we have grabbed what we want to grab. And as you can see here, when you look at this place here, you will see that this market keeps going up. You see what I'm saying? That is the essence of why you use all these many indicators here, guys, all right. Without that, we would have stick with this particular one on the main charts, all right. So that is how simple it is. Just wait patiently. That is where patience comes in trading. So you just have to wait patiently for this market to meet up with this requirement. And always do not shift your chart from one place to another because you are looking for signal to trade sharp. Don't do that. I don't really give signals real quick this way, but I am doing this because I want every one of you to be making a lot of money from the market. So once these requirements are met and you open this position, guys, you can be trailing. You can be once you make $50 or $20, you close your market. But once these requirements are met, you can hold this trade for as long as you can. So that is how this strategy works, guys. And if you want me to mentor you on how to trade boom and crash successfully, and volatility 75 index, other synthetic indices, you want me to mentor you on how to do this profitably and successfully, always use the number that I'm going to leave in the description of this video. My number ends with 58, guys. So do not fall for scammers that are using my logo and downloading my pictures to open another channel and be telling you guys that they are managing accounts. I do not manage accounts. I only accept investment, and also I can only teach and mentor you, which is I do mentorship program. I offer mentorship program. Those are the two things that I do. All right. So I am also going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video as well. If you do not have money for mentorship program, you can pick a copy of those books and go through it. It will really go a long way by helping you to learn how to trade profitably and successfully. So that's how it is, guys. As I said earlier on, if you are getting value from this video and if you love content like this, be sure to smash that like button. It's very important, guys. So that's how it is, guys. Signing out. Only this. Peace.